Hey guys, what's going on? Not too long ago, a guy gave me this factory ZJ transfer case skid, and I'm going to install it today, but problem is I've got an XJ, and I've heard it's not too hard to install it on these things, so let's see what we can get done. I've already re-drilled one hole, and I think that might be all we have to do on this side. I know on the frame rail we're going to have to re-drill a hole right here. You might can see this little red mark there, but anyway, let's just see if we can make it work. All right, this is not the factory cross member on this thing, but it shares most of the dimensions with the factory one. It's even got the holes right here for the factory skid plates that would have come optional on these things. What I'm going to do here, I'm going to lift this skid up in place. Like I said, I've already re-drilled one hole, and I'm hoping that's all I have to do to the skid itself. This will be a nice added piece of protection because this thing's at stock height, and I've been doing a little race series with it, and this will be a welcome addition to help protect that transfer case. Yeah, all the way through. And there's the other one. All right. I believe we can let this down now. Let's let it hang by the bolts. Yeah, we'll get that out of the way and let you guys see what's going on. All right. I'm going to look over here on the frame rail to see if I'm aligned with my dot. And I'm going to tighten her down. Oh yeah, good. All right. All right, what I'm going to try here may or may not work. I'm going to try and drill a small hole here where I need threads and come in with the air hammer and form the metal so I can tap it. Let's see if it'll work. Okay, easy enough. All right, let's see if this will work. I don't think that's going to work. It just didn't do anything. Nah, just not budging at all. All it's doing is making a bunch of racket. All right, let's try something else. Ooh. Now, I know this is probably not going to be a permanent solution, but it is what it is. You never know, it may hold forever. Tapping it out to a 5/16, 18 thread. All right. All right. In we go. I must resist the temptation to over tighten this. And there we go. All right. Well, I guess it's that simple. That may or may not hold. I doubt that it'll hold very, very long term, but hopefully if it does fail, it's not going to break anything or tear anything up around it. Then I can just go in here and just drill a hole in the frame rail and put a nut cert in there, which I may wind up going back and doing that anyway. But for right now, I just wanted to get this thing on here because I'm not going to be doing any serious rock crawling with it or anything like that. I just wanted to protect the transfer case since this thing sets at stock height, and dragging it across what little bit of rocks we do race on. I just didn't want it to get the transfer case. So anyway, there it is. ZJ transfer case skid and an XJ. If I can do it, I know you guys can do it. So thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.